Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix Wi-Fi error, no internet secured on your Windows 11 or your Windows 10. So when you are connected with your Wi-Fi connection, sometimes it happens with the Ethernet connection as well, but the status shows you no internet secured. Alright, so it means that you are connected, but you're not getting any kind of internet connection. Even you have the internet access from your router. Alright, I'm going to share 5 effective solutions that you need to apply one by one and keep checking that if your problem gets fixed after applying every step. Alright, the first thing that you need to do is you need to try disabling and enabling your Wi-Fi adapter or whichever adapter you are having the trouble with. How you can do? On your Windows 11 or Windows 10 search box, click on it, type here ncpa.cpl. From the suggestion, choose ncpa.cpl control panel item, and the network connection box will be coming up displaying all of your internet connections. All right, so I have to look for the Wi-Fi here. Once you come to the Wi-Fi, just make a right click on it. Then you will be getting an option of disable. Click on disable, wait for like 4 to 5 seconds, and after that again make a right click on it, then choose enable. Now once it's been done, probably the chances are it will be automatically reconnected and you will be having the internet access. You can check the status, and if this works for you, then that's good. And still, if you have the issues, the next thing what you have to do, again make a right click on it. Now this time choose properties. The Wi-Fi properties will be up. Now from here you have to uncheck few of the boxes. The first one will be the client for Microsoft Network, that is on the very top. Uncheck this one, and then you will find here an option Microsoft Network Adapter Multiplexer Protocol. You have to uncheck this option as well, and also the Internet Protocol version 6. Now majority, I think almost all the people use Internet Protocol version 4, and there can be some conflict. Many people reported that turning off this version just help them and fix the problem. So you need to uncheck this option as well. Internet Protocol version 6, then your client for Microsoft Networks on the top, and then Microsoft Network Adapter Multiplexer Protocol. Once you are done, click on OK, then close it. Now check back if this fixes your problem, and even if you have the issue, then you have to go ahead and reset your network. How you have to do? Make a right click on your Windows icon, both on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, and from the suggestion choose settings. Now from the settings, on Windows 10 you will get here network and internet. On the Windows 11 you will get on the very left hand menu options. Click on network and internet. Then you will be getting network reset here. Probably on your Windows 11 you have to go with view advanced network settings, and then you will find network reset. Click on it, then click on reset now, then click on yes to confirm, and after that all kind of settings will be resetted. But make sure that you remember your user ID, I mean your SSID, and the password to connect to your Wi-Fi, because it will be asking you to go ahead and type the password you want to connect with. All right, so you just need to keep in your mind that you remember the password of your Wi-Fi connection. All right, after that click on yes and just go ahead and try reconnecting. I'm pretty sure that this will be helping you. After doing all these things, you can just go ahead and make a restart and check back that if this fixes a problem. Still, if you have the issues, do not need to worry. I have 2 more solutions that will be helping you to fix the problem. Now in the next setting, what you have to do, on your search box type CMD. From the suggestion, choose run as administrator. Click on it. The black window will be coming up, and here you will be getting a command in the description. You need to copy the command and paste here. So there will be 2 commands that you have to run here. The first one will be ipconfig space / flush DNS. Hit enter, and you can see it says successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So this basically has cleared the cache of the DNS. So if there was any problem with the DNS, then that issue will be fixed. The next command will be NETSH WinSock reset. Hit enter, and you can see that it says successfully reset the WinSock catalog. So you just need to copy the command from the description and then paste here one by one. Once you are done, you can see it says you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So we have to make a restart, but before restart, I recommend you that you should apply the fifth solution as well, and which is updating your network adapter. So just make a right click on your Windows icon. From the suggestion, choose Device Manager. Now here you have to look for the network adapters and then look for your Wi-Fi adapter. It should be by the name Intel Wi-Fi, very similar that I have here. Make a right click on it, choose Update Driver. Then you can click on Search automatically for drivers. If you get this message that says the best driver for your device are already installed, it means that you have the updated driver. And if there are updates available, it will automatically update it. Okay. Now after that, close it. Now restart your PC. Check back. I'm pretty sure that your problem will be fixed. And still, if you have the issue, then what you have to do, again, after restarting, you need to come to your Windows icon, make a right click, choose Device Manager again, go to Network Adapters, look for your Intel Wi-Fi, make a right click on it and choose Uninstall Device. Then click on Uninstall again, and after that again make a quick restart, and after that your driver will be automatically installed on the machine, and then you can check back. I'm pretty sure that you will be having the solution. All right, so that's all guys. Hopefully this video will help you, and if yes, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.